set, go.
Oh, how beautiful!
Oh my gosh, look how pretty.
Look it. Oh my gosh. Oh, yours is
Oh.
purple. Look at the pink.
Oh, there's a Winky Lux lip balm in here. Rainbow lip and cheek balm.
Ooh.
Ooh, I love
I love the packaging. Look at these.
What is that?
Silicone straws.
Oh, those are so handy. With a cleaning brush.
Oh, yay! Oh, check these out.
They match.
These are so cute. Oh, they do. That's so
Match
cute.
all the colors.
What else is in here? There's something else in here.
It's a,
Okay,
it's a
what is that
holder.
for the straws?
To travel, you can fold it up and put it
That
in there
is
and put it in your
totally
purse.
cute. Oh,
Take
those
to
are
the
cool.
restaurants with you or on vacation.
Because you know nobody gives straws out anymore.
I know. Ooh. Weighted sleeping mask. Oh, I think my children would steal this and fight over it. Ooh, that's cool.
Don't put me right to bed. You've got to see this. Look. Wrinkle treatment.
Ooh.
Oh! Look at that.
So
oh, yeah.
cool.
Get rid of those sleeping lines right here, my laughing lines.
Blue matcha restoring mask. Oh, for masking, how we met. And the masking thread on the community. Love it. Blue matcha. I wonder if it's blue. Is it blue? Oh, it's a faint blue. Does it smell like?
Oh, it smells good.
Does it smell good? Ooh,
Sorry,
that does smell good.
I see your box too. Oh, this is beautiful.
That is pretty.
Look it.
And it's double. I love when they're double like that. I wonder how long it is.
It's one necklace, but double? That is pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks so pretty on you. Look.
Oh, let's try it.
Just hanging on you.
Oh, there we go.
See?
Yeah? Okay.
That's what friends are for.
What's that?
Deep sleep body cocoon.
Ooh.
Lotion.
Is it for a nighttime lotion? This one
Ooh.
is Love Script Body Wash. Orange Blossom. Ooh, I love
wait a minute.
orange
I thought it
and
said
citrus
lavender.
scents. Smell that.
Use nightly. Wait.
I'm too excited
that
to wait.
does smell good. I gotta put this on. Ooh,
What is that?
earthy.
Ooh. Oh, look.
Oh, I love
April
this.
showers. We need our umbrellas.
You know, I never
This
thought
looks
I needed
so
an
pretty.
umbrella in California, but it's been raining so much.
It has been. It rained last night. Oh, and it's got a little ruffle around the edge.
That is
But it's
cute.
bad luck to open
Yeah,
umbrellas
please
indoors.
don't. Stone Cold box. Check these out.
Are those tea towels?
Tea towels to go with my tea set that we had. Remember?
Oh yeah, Spongel Black Orchid. Ooh, I don't have very many
Wanna
Spongels.
smell?
They're always sold out.
Ooh, it smells good.
Everybody loves Spongels. That does smell
Wait, I'm
really
forgetting
good.
what I opened already. Thermal spring water?
Ooh, is that like a spray for setting your makeup, like for your face? Like a refreshing one?
This is really cool. Let's see. All right, sorry. I'm gonna spray it.
Ooh, look at this.
Oh, this is awesome.
Look at
I like that.
it's a pretty
like a
rose
rose
gold
gold.
bronzy hairbrush. I have to hide this from my daughter.
You have to hide everything.
I know I have to hide everything from my daughter. I'm gonna have to hide the box. She's gonna love the purple. I'm gonna have to hide the hairbrush. What is this? Oh my gosh, I love it.
That is cute.
I love it. Oh my goodness.
That is
I
so
love
cute.
cardigans with pockets.
Okay, I'm loving that too.
Oh, I love it. I'm never gonna take it off. I love this.
want everything from both boxes. I want your box
I
too.
want all of them.
Can I take your box?
Everything. No.
Packing
cubes. Look at those
cubes,
colors. Love those colors.
Because a girl loves to travel.
Oh, wow. Oh, and the ombre. Look at
this
that.
out.
That's so cool.
I got my cruise coming up
That's
again.
right.
So exciting.
Summer vacation.
There's 3 of them. This is perfect.
I love all the colors in here.
All right.
Oh, man. What a fun box.